this show started. So please, everyone, settle down, take your seats, grab your drinks, grab your seats, and of course, please put those cell phones on silent. We're all set to begin and have a wonderful evening. So please settle down. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You know, they say the show must go on, but when we have real life hero, real life hero with us here in the audience, I think the show can pause for a few moments. A warm welcome to all of you. I'd request you to please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, creativity without strategy is called art. Creativity with strategy is called advertising. And sitting amongst us are some of India's finest advertisers, strategists, marketeers, who have bowled India over, who have won the heart of every Indian with the fabulous ad campaigns that you have created. And I'll repeat that, just in case. Creativity without strategy is art. Creativity with strategy is advertising. A big round of applause to all of you in the house. Really, the finest Marcom minds sitting amidst us. I am Pooja Yadav Kaif, and it is such a privilege to be here hosting the 6th edition of the Matrabhumi India Awards 2021. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And I think I'm super excited because, well, I'm back here after 2 years, and coming here is like coming home. And speaking about home, let's talk about the International Advertising Association. Let's talk about the India chapter of the International Advertising Association. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the International Advertising Association sees itself as the global compass of marketing communication. And with 77 chapters and a global presence, we all know that it is constantly evolving to keep ahead of time and pave a way for the Marcom industry. The India chapter in the last 30 years has gone on to become one of the most active industry bodies in India and has been recognized as one of the most vibrant chapters of the International Advertising Association multiple times. So to commence this evening, it is my privilege to please request Abhishek Karnani, Chairperson, IAA India Awards 2021 and Director of the Free Press Journal, to please join us on stage and welcome this august audience. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, friends. Welcome to the 6th edition of the IAA India Awards. These awards celebrate creative excellence in real hard-working advertising. They're unique for a couple of reasons. First, they are judged by advertisers only. People who judge advertising before it is released and then back the creative work with their money. Second, the shortlisting of the entries is done by knowledge partners who view and review advertising every day. The awards are accepted by co-creators of the work, be they client, creative agency, media agency, etc. Any award is only as good as the people who endorse them. I view the presence of such a high-powered audience here today and the presence of repeat sponsors as a great endorsement for the India Awards. Keeping in mind the phase we are hopefully emerging from, we have sculpted our award events around a theme that acknowledges and inspires the need to show that there is good in everything around us. It just needs to be tapped into. These last 18 months or so have taken a big toll on our industry. Reacting to a very good suggestion from our past president, Mr. Sam Balsara, we reached out to all Marcom industry associations and requested them to send us a list of people we lost to COVID, so we could honor their memory here today and send their families a little certificate to show we really care. May I request all of you to rise as the AV plays.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey, Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Everything will be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. Memories bring back you.
Please be seated. They will always remain in our thoughts and in our memories. And as we say, the show must go on. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you a fantastic evening.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is an evening where we reward content, but it's also an evening full of heart. And at the IAA India chapter, along with other industry bodies, we would like to present a small token to these lost warriors. The tribute reads, and I quote, "You were the balm in this difficult and troubled world we live in. You changed the dynamics at work with your wit, warmth, and intelligence. You were the team player, achieving incredible objectives with personal grace. You were the rock that handled late nights, early mornings, and impossible deadlines with aplomb. You were proof that being resilient, being committed, and being a wonderful person do not have to be mutually exclusive. You selflessly gave the industry all that you had. Your legacy is etched in our minds, your name in our hearts." Ladies and gentlemen, as we pay homage to those we lost, this small token should reach the families of the bereaved. And a big thank you to Ms. Nandini Dias for your help in putting this together. And this evening, we are ready to celebrate their work and the work of those who have pulled through these troubled times to make an impact. And of course, as Sir had said, the show must go on. We would not have been able to pull this evening together without the support of our partners. So let's give our presenting partners for the evening a huge round of applause and have a look at the AV.
Most formidable media force in Kerala.
So a big thank you to Mathrubhumi, and may I now request Megha Tata, President IAA India Chapter 2021, and Abhishek Karnani, Chairperson IAA India Awards 2021, to please join me on stage. Welcome, ma'am. You look lovely as always. Always a sight to behold. I request you to present a small token of our gratitude to our presenting partners for the evening. May I now request Ms. Mayura Shreyams Kumar, Director, Digital Business, Mathrubhumi, to please join us on stage. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now on to our associate partner for the evening. Let's give them a huge round of applause and have a look at the AV.
न पाबंदी हो न कोई हद हो तो बस खुद बनाई सरहद हो। ये मुहिम है परतों में छिपे हर सच की तलाश की, सियासत पर रखी पैनी नजर और आंख की, खबरों की दुनिया में एक जिम्मेदार आवाज की, जुर्म और जुल्म के खिलाफ हर बेबस के लिए इंसाफ की। जब कोई हद नहीं इंसानियत के लिए जज्बात की, जब कोई हद नहीं खुशियों और ख्वाब की, तब कोई हद क्यों हो नए नजरिए और बदलाव की। तोड़ के हदों के ताले नए सपनों को पाले, बांधे सबको एक धागे, आपको रखे आगे। ABP न्यूज़।
Everyone, please put your hands together for ABP, our associate partner for this fabulous evening. And to accept a token of our gratitude, may I request Mona Jain, Chief Revenue Officer, ABP Network, to please join us on stage. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you once again to our associate partner ABP, and I'd request, of course, all of our guests in the house to continue clapping for our supporting partners for the evening, Times Network. Let's have a look at the AV.
India, 75 years of freedom. A nation on the cusp of transformative change. But political, geopolitical, and economic dynamics are shifting. The next 25 years will make all the difference. Are you ready to capitalize on India's future? Bringing clarity to the path ahead. Times Now Summit, celebrating India at 75, shaping India at 100.
The actual action begins here.
Presented by Herbalife Nutrition. Powered by Darwin Platform Group of Companies. Never stop moving forward. Driven by Maruti Suzuki.
And for this evening, I think the actual action also begins here. But to accept a token of our gratitude, it's my privilege to welcome Shivaraman Iyer, Vice President Sales, Time Network, to please join us on stage. But we have a representative, yes. Welcome, sir. Team effort. Big thank you to all our partners for helping us collaborate and bring this evening to you. May I now also request our web media partner to join us on stage and accept a small token of our gratitude. Noel D'Souza, Campaign India, please join us on stage. Welcome, Noel. Pradyuman Maheshwari, Editor-in-Chief and CEO, MXM, please join us on stage. Or if we have a representative from our partners. Or should I do the honors? No worries, we'll make sure it reaches them. And could we have Pawan Chawla, founder, editor, Media Brief, to please join us on stage. Welcome, Mr. Chawla. From Media News for You, please join us on stage. Welcome, ma'am. And now for our print media partner, Sanjay Matthew from Free Press Journal. Please join us on stage. Welcome, sir. Could we have Suresh Balakrishnan, Chief Revenue Officer, The Hindu Group, please join us on stage. Do we have a representative here? We'll make sure the plaque reaches them. From our digital communications partner, Neville Midhora, Vice President and Head of India Business, please join us on stage. Okay, so I think we'll make sure it reaches them. So thank you so much to our lovely presenters. We shall see you on and off during the course of this evening. Well, ladies and gentlemen, to ensure that we stay true to the spirit of the initiative and honor only real advertising, the shortlists and nominees for the Mathrubhumi India Awards 2021 were screened by our knowledge partners. And of course, we would like to extend a big thank you to them. So a big thank you to Ashwini Gangal, Executive Editor, AFAX, Neeraj Sharma, Founder, Director and Editor-in-Chief, Best Media Info and Buzz in Content, Samarpita Banerjee, Deputy Editor, Ad and Media, Insider India, Rahil Chopra, Managing Editor, Campaign India, Gokul Krishnamurthy, Founder and Curator, Clutter Cutters, and Uma Nath V, Editor-in-Chief, Media News for You. A big thank you to all of you. Now, while the shortlist and the nominees were ready, but to judge entries across 27 categories, I think every year, year on year, our jury has their work cut out for them. So the jury, like every other year, comprised only of advertisers who back the creative work with their money. This time it was a complete virtual jury process, and here's a look at what they had to say. Let's have a listen.
Been a privilege and honor for me to have been the jury chair of the IND IAA Awards for 3 years in a row. That is because these awards are the most prestigious awards in advertising and communication that we give out for contributions in the Indian industry. This year, I had the privilege of being joined by 9 other very distinguished men and women from the industry, from different industries, from different organizations, from different experiences, to really curate and put together the awards that are being presented this evening. In all, 27 categories. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 27 categories were adjudged, ranging from auto four-wheelers to fashion and accessories to personal care and to a new category that was introduced this year called the Voice of Change. It is really the privilege of the jury to not have one, two, but indeed 200 entries that had to be evaluated by the jury that I had the privilege to lead. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, enormous time and effort has gone to decide on the winners. The winners in all are 31. There are 31 awards that have been given out, and I want to assure every winner that their organization, their cause, their purpose truly deserves recognition of the most prestigious Ind IAA award that beckons them. I want to take this opportunity to thank every member of my jury who spent valuable time, and if you look at it in man-hours terms, almost 6-7 hours of time has been spent in going through the process, in going through each of the entries, in evaluating them, in having our own debate, even though it is all virtual, to come to 31 award winners. I want to congratulate every award winner for their outstanding work. You need to be truly proud of yourselves, of your agency partners, of your teams, of your customers, of your consumers, of your stakeholders, of everyone who has been involved in the success that today you are celebrating at the Ind IAA Awards. I thank the organizers once again for the opportunity that they have given me of being a jury chair, and I believe that this year's awards will again be exciting, extremely exciting, despite the pandemic and despite the muted situation that surrounds us. Have a great function, and once again, heartiest congratulations to each of the award winners and my deep gratitude to the jury.
The winning entries truly represent outstanding creativity, great strategic work. So I want to congratulate all those marketing, agency and production teams for your entries. I can promise you it was a difficult task.
Judging the India IAA Awards was a day well spent. It gave me a chance to pause, sit back and enjoy all of the good work created in the past year. Debating with the judges, jamming with them and listening to different perspectives was definitely enriching.
So in many ways it was about opening our eyes and seeing the larger world and what kind of creatives are really coming out and be in a position to discuss them. And last but not the least, over the many ads that one saw, I did find a lot of learning and a lot of application that is relevant to any business.
It makes me incredibly proud as an Indian that we have such creativity and such talent in our country. And I have no doubt that some of our talent will soon be leading the best and biggest global firms in the next few years.
To me, it was personally a very enriching experience to be a part of the process. The entries we got this year were truly amazing and outstanding. So not only a big congratulations to all the winners, but a big congratulations to all the participants.
And that is the grand jury, ladies and gentlemen, that has helped us evaluate and arrive at the best advertising minds of the country. So please, I know you already did it, but a big round of applause for them. Because this, what you see right now, is the final product. But helping us put this together, partners, and helping us evaluate and go through, sifting through hundreds of entries is our grand jury. So a big thank you to all of them. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if the last year has taught us anything, it has to be a lesson in compassion. To be compassionate towards our peers, our clients, our loved ones, and all those who surround us. marking the World Marketing and Communications Day on 3rd October, IAA Global recognized the missing compassion in everyday lives and reminded us to be compassionate to those around us. While walking the talk, we at IAA India chapter did our bit in reminding the world just how important it is to care and to show that you care. To shed some more light on this at IAA India chapter, may I please invite on stage Megha Tata, President IAA India chapter 2021. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja. Friends, we are in an extraordinary phase of our professional and personal lives. And while we mourn those who are no more with us, we rejoice at the efforts of those who are part of this wonderful creative industry. As we celebrate creative excellence today, let us also take a look at what the IAA stands for and did when the country was locked down and was trying to get up and get going after that. Can we have the AV, please? Yes, the country was locked down, but IAA decided that creativity wasn't. So we lauded the efforts of COVID communicators. And realizing that the elders were most at risk of being left out during the lockdown, we decided to show that compassion wasn't locked down.
घर के दरवाजे जरूर बंद हैं, मगर दिल के दरवाजे तो खुले ही हैं ना?
And then we were told that domestic violence was peaking, so we sent out a message to some hapless sisters to take heart and report such incidents. We took a pledge of positivity to bolster sagging spirits.
We will come together as one
and heal the wounds of mistrust, disease,
of frustration and anger.
We will be the fuel,
and we will be the engine of growth.
We will be the wind beneath the wings of both
industry and society.
And we will spread the message of a brave new world.
Will be the promise, and we will keep our word.
Because we are the medium. And we are the message.
And as the first wave ended, we sent out a message to the community. Let's advertise.
Advertising. It fuels sales, production, jobs, entire economies. Let's advertise.
And as the second wave struck, we decided the world needs a breather. Our empathy campaign was widely acclaimed. In between all this, we realized that IAA was committed to education and to the spread of knowledge, and a mere virus wasn't likely to stop us from spreading the good word. So, our efforts in reaching out to young professionals continued. And so did our knowledge series. With things getting back to normal, we did not just do some research on gender representation in our industry, but followed it up with a webinar and a campaign urging our industry to be the voice of change. And we continued our efforts to make the world a better place to live in with the 11th edition of the IAA Olive Crown Awards, our unique
ongoing commitment to sustainability. Why did we do this? Because IAA cares. No tokenism. We live the thoughts enshrined in our mission statement. We point towards excellence in meaningful creativity that helps our constituents remain true to the timeless principles of building strong brands and forging meaningful relationships with the consumers they serve and the society in which we live. We are a unique network of marketers, advertising agencies, media, tech companies, and educators who are responsibly and constantly evaluating what is new, while remaining rooted to our core belief that what's good is good for business. Yes, IAA is the global compass. But it is fired with compassion.
I think a bigger round of applause. I couldn't hear it backstage. We need a little more fire in our belly, a little more spirit, a little more passion. Thank you so much. And of course, ma'am, do wait with us a little longer. So in keeping with our theme that IAA cares, we will be honoring 3 humanitarian heroes tonight. Now, these are people in our own industry who, during the period of the pandemic, have shown us what it means to be a hero. To honor them, Madam President, may I also invite on stage Mr. Abhishek Karnani, and of course, I'm sure he's heard this many times, a real-life hero, star in the house, Mr. Sonu Sood. Welcome. And I have to, before going on further, I have to say it's not in my script, but I know I speak for all of us that you single-handedly really made us, whenever I think any of us thinks about doing something, you think, what can I do alone? You changed that single-handedly. Let's have a big round of applause. So thank you. Thank you for forcing us out of our comfort zone and to do what we can to help. So thank you so much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our first humanitarian hero is someone who wears his powerful position very lightly. He's soft-spoken, but he's very emphatic in his commitment to help good causes. In fact, I have it on record from someone who should know that on 2 separate occasions, he himself called the IAA and offered to get good pro bono creative work done to help the good causes the IAA was supporting, the causes we just heard about. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for CVL Srinivas, Country Manager, WPP India. So please join us on stage. The International Advertising Association recognizes CVL Srinivas as a humanitarian hero for being an industry leader with a heart, for being the silent hand behind several initiatives for good, for never waiting to be asked to help. Thank you so much, Mr. Srinivas. I have to also, sir, say, I landed this morning for the show, and the first thing on touchdown, I saw this building, WPP. It's like landmark as soon as you land into Mumbai. And thank you so much, sir. Of course, sir.
Thank you, IAA, for this, but I humbly accept this on behalf of all my colleagues at WPP who are always willing to do good work for a good cause. So thank you to my team.
All flows down from leadership. I always believe that. Ladies and gentlemen, our second humanitarian hero is someone who rallied the creative community of Mumbai to raise awareness about the COVID pandemic and use design and creativity to help the Maharashtra government communicate more efficiently and effectively. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Bhupal Ramnathkar. And to accept the award on his behalf, we have with us his son and very well-known film director, Karthik. Welcome, Karthik. I'd like to add here that the International Advertising Association recognizes Bhupal Ramnathkar as a humanitarian hero for showcasing the power of design, for inspiring and making a difference, for using communication as a force for good. Thank you once again. Our third humanitarian hero is a gentleman who has stepped up and helped the IA communicate many good causes, all as a labor of love. They range from gender sensitivity to natural calamities to sustainability to empathy. Please put your hands together for Raj Nair, CEO, Madison BMB. Welcome, sir. And to tell you what the plaque reads, the International Advertising Association recognizes Raj Nair as a humanitarian hero for the many communication campaigns that sought to make a difference, for the ever-willing attitude to help a good cause, from natural calamities to gender to industry initiatives. Yes, sir, of course. Cordless or podium, choice is yours.
Thank you, IA. Again, just the same point that Srinivas made, this wouldn't be possible without my colleagues at Madison. Thank you for this wonderful sort of appreciation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Nair. Thank you, Mr. Karnani. And of course, the two of you stay back, a little Q&A. I'd like to request for the mics. And of course, did I say three heroes? You all know, as I said, real life hero, Sonu Sood in the house. A big round of applause. We all know what he's done, and it's over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja. And yes, a big round of applause for the real hero who's here. Thank you so much for being here, Sonu. We're keen to know, actually, that we all know that you're the hero on the reel and on the big screen. But what brought about being the real hero in the real world? What got that into you? How did you bring that real hero alive in you?
Thank you, Megha. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this honor to be on the stage today, Sandeep ji. It's a family, when he told me about this platform. So I went to those memory lanes when I finished my engineering, and I'm from Moga, a small place in Punjab. Most of the people must not have heard about it also. But when I came to Mumbai, people said that if you want to do some ads, you have to go to all these advertising agencies. So I made a pass, which was from Borivali to Churchgate. I used to travel to famous studios, Everest Building, and all these, maker chambers, where all these advertising agencies were there, and I used to be there. मैं क्या यार काम नहीं मिलता यार, बहुत struggle तो करता हूँ, and I have got a good portfolio also. They said कि आपको ऐसे platform पे जाना पड़ेगा जहाँ बहुत सारे advertising के लोग हों, directors हों, company के हों. तो मैं 20 साल तक उसकी तलाश कर रहा था, but finally it happened today. Thank you so much. I'm very punctual, sir. जब भी मैं मुझे ad के लिए बुलाएंगे, मैं बड़ा time से पहले आता हूँ. Thank you. But what Megha said, I never knew anything. Whatever I did in last 1.5 years. But I remember that when I was distributing food on the highways, like a lot of us were doing, so I met these 150, 300 people who were going to Karnataka by foot, and they said, can you pack us fruits for 10 days because we are going to go to Gulbarga. So he said, can I get permissions for you? And I straight away went to the DCP office in Thana, and they said permissions can't be granted because as per the COVID rules, you can't get. So, but मैंने बोला कि सर पैदल तो निकल ही जाएंगे, तो इन्हें रोका कैसे जाए? They said कि he gave me a bunch of papers. He said कि अगर ये सब permissions ले आओगे, so मैं ले आऊँ मैं आपके लिए I'll get these things done. I remember I took permissions of 350 people, all living in different areas, different pin codes, and I took the permission from that state also, and I could send those 350 people. But when, when I was seeing them in the buses, they had tears in their eyes, and they said, "Thank you so much," and when they were waving off, so I knew that this is not the story of these 350 people, but the millions who are stuck across the globe. And then the whole journey started. I don't know how it happened, but I think the wishes and prayers of all those parents who are waiting for their loved ones to come back, they made that happen, and I could connect with almost close to 7.5 lakh people and sending them back to their homes, and the journey continues. Yeah.
That's amazing. Such an inspirational story. You know, mostly when, for right reasons or wrong, but it's easy for people to just write a check, give them donation, and with all good intention, of course. What made you actually roll up your sleeves and get into the thick of things? Actually go out there, get people into the bus, get the food. How did you do that? What got you going there?
Like you said, we have seen so many heroes, and you must have experienced then when you do that hand-to-hand connection, that is very special. I remember one of a very senior actors in our industry called me in the middle of night, and he said, कि तू कैसे कर लेता है सब ये 2 मिनट में ऑक्सीजन पहुंच जाती है वहाँ पे मेडिसिन्स पहुंच जाती हैं लोग पहुंच जाते हैं कैसे करता है so I said I don't think twice calling somebody I don't know for somebody I don't know so I used to call people in the middle of night कि सर मैं आपको भी कभी जानता नहीं हूँ मैं मिला नहीं हूँ but this is the first time calling you for someone who's losing a life can we save a life and they said let's do it and Ma'am, I remember, when I had sent all these people back to their homes, and they said, we need jobs. So I started creating this platform called Pravasi Rozgar, which now became Good Worker. When they had problems, medical problems, they said, Sonu, yaar, meri mother bimar hai, mujhe help kar. And I used to call these hospitals. So initially I was doing on my own. Then all these doctors, hospital owners, they said, Sonu, aapki surgery hai, we won't charge you anything. So all those surgeries we were for 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, they came to 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 8 lakhs, and we are still doing. And this is, I would say, I formed this family across the country. कि आज अगर आप मुझे 1.5 साल पहले बोलते कि घर में किसी को जुकाम हो गया तो कैसे उसकी डॉक्टर की अपॉइंटमेंट लेनी है तो मुझे पता नहीं था. But if you ask me today, anywhere in this country, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, even in the smallest district, if you need any kind of medical help, I can make that happen in 5 minutes.
Amazing. I think you just put that where there's a will, there definitely is a way, and you absolutely made that happen, Sonu. Just one last question before you go. We all know the virus is out of the way, hopefully never to come back again, and the overall situation is getting better and positive. Of course, not corona positive, but what is the good humanitarian in you planning to do now? Like, what is the social cause you're close to, you want to continue to do?
People say, what do you think, what are the chances of this third wave, is it going to come or not? So I always tell them third wave is already there. People who have lost their jobs, people who have been hit financially, people are not able to get their kids for their online education. So everyone is experiencing that third wave, but everything is coming to normal. But there are a lot of people who are suffering. So it's very important to do your bit. I'll give you an example. There's a very big corporate company. They called me. They said, Sonu, webinar hai. We want you to come for this thing. And they were somehow not able to match to the price that I was demanding. So someone, a close connection friend called me, he said, Sonu, yaar, boss, karna hai, boss, inka pakka karna hai. So he said, okay, I will give, but you have to give jobs to at least 10 people. Yeah. So the HR head, she said, pakka Sonu, main karta hu. They said, jaise phone rakhe, I'm sending you the CVs. So I sent 8-10 CVs, and those out of 10, 4 to 5 people got the jobs. So the best part is, today, I don't know how it's happening, but it's magical. I feel very happy. I used to struggle for those scripts to come from the best of production houses. Today, when I get those scripts, I don't have time to read because I'm standing with unknown people trying to solve their problems, and I feel very happy. It's a great feeling, and I remember my words by my mom. They said कि कभी अपनी मुट्ठी खोल कर तो देख, शायद तेरी हाथ की लकीरों में किसी की जान बचाना लिखा हो. So I think
that's amazing. That's amazing. You're an inspiration, Sonu. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonu Sood. Thank you so much for being here. We are honored and humbled, and we hope that you continue to be the beacon of light for all of us and make us, take us to that ride and take us to the journey what you've led so beautifully. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mr. Sood, you still have to stay back. We want to say thank you in our own little way. And thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, to honor none other than Sonu Sood, may we have on stage immediate past President, IAA Global, and current Vice Chairman, Asian Federation of Advertising Associations, Mr. Srinivasan Swamy, and young Mayura Shreyams Kumar, who heads the digital play at Matrabhumi, to join us on stage and present a small token of our gratitude to him. It really is an honor to have you here. Showing us what is possible when your heart's in the right place and there's courage in that heart and there's fire in that soul. Please, a big round of applause for Sonu Sood. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, onwards and forwards to the awards. The time we've all been eagerly waiting for. Well, at least I have. 27 categories, as we said. It's time we uncover the finest marketing and advertising minds of the nation who are seated here amidst us. We discover the campaigns that truly touched Indian hearts and remained in their minds for a long time to come. So with that, to present the first set of awards, it's my privilege to request Sam Balsara, IAA Mancom member and Chairman, Madison World, to please join us on stage. Also, please join us, Sri Nandan Sundaram, Executive Director, Foods and Refreshment, Hindustan Unilever Limited, and VP F&R Unilever South Asia. Along with Kobi Shoshani, Consulate General of Israel. Gentlemen, please join us on stage. Welcome, sirs. Warm welcome. Yes, sir, all together. Warm welcome. I think we're missing one. Well, I think we can. Who gives me the go ahead? I'm going ahead. So, sirs, you will be presenting our first set of awards for this evening, giving away the first 3 awards tonight. Our first category for the evening is about wheels and campaigns that move the nation. Let's have a look at the winner.
In the category Auto Four-Wheelers, the winner is...
अरे यार फिर से कैब कैंसिल ब्रो कैब छोड़ के अपनी गाड़ी लेनी ही पड़ेगी
लेकिन डीजल ना पेट्रोल बहुत महंगा है भाई सर आपकी कैब
इतनी पुरानी कैब
आपकी सोच भी तो पुरानी है जो आज भी पेट्रोल और डीजल के ना के बराबर के फर्क को ज्यादा मानती है आप लोगों ने कैलकुलेट किया क्या अगर करोगे तो मारुति सुजुकी की पेट्रोल कार ही चुनोगे क्योंकि पेट्रोल कार्स की बाइंग कॉस्ट है कम एंड कार की रनिंग के हिसाब से पेट्रोल है बेस्ट चॉइस कैलकुलेट किया क्या
#calculate किया क्या for Maruti Suzuki, created by Dentsu.
Well, I wonder if they calculated their success with this clutter-breaking campaign, taking home the very first award this evening. May I please invite representatives from Maruti Suzuki and Dentsu to please join us on stage. Heartiest congratulations, please join us. Reps from Maruti Suzuki and Dentsu bagging the first award this evening. Calculated success, I guess. Congratulations to you. Let's have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our first winners here tonight. Thank you and congratulations once again. Our next category has two joint winners. So let's have a look at the first joint winner.
In the category Auto Others, the joint winner is
लक वो तो खुद बनानी पड़ती है।
Hashtag Move with Shell for Shell, created by Wonderman Thompson.
Moving the nation forward and literally creating the future. Ladies and gentlemen, may I please invite representatives from Shell and Wonderman Thompson to please join us on stage for the wonderful campaign that they have created. Congratulations. Congratulations once again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to have a look at that second joint winner.
In the category Auto Others, the joint winner is
हमारे देश में मोड़ ही मोड़ है। कभी हाईवे वाला मोड़, गोल चक्कर वाला मोड़, कभी 22 वाला मोड़, रोड गुल वाला मोड़। ओए गुड्डू की बारात वाला मोड़, ओए होए ब्रा। हवलदार के बाएं हाथ वाला मोड़, म्युनिसिपैलिटी वाला मोड़, स्टाइल वाला मोड़, कुत्तों के चेज वाला मोड़। Why don't you like my face वाला मोड़? टनल में मोड़, पार्किंग में मोड़, बहते पानी वाला मोड़। हमारे देश में मोड़ अनगिनत है और हर मोड़ के लिए है TVS Eurogrip Tires, a wide range of tires जो दे हर मोड़ पे confidence. TVS Eurogrip Tires. Tires for a country full of turns.
Tires for a country full of turns for TVS Eurogrip, created by Tilt Brand Solutions.
Well, हर मोड़ पे victory आपके लिए. Apologies. Successful campaign for you guys, winning the hearts of the nation and jury at every turn. Please welcome to the stage representatives from TVS Eurogrip and Tilt Brand Solutions. It's always lovely to see the team come join us on stage and get recognized for the wonderful work that they've done. हर मोड़ पे success पे victory tonight. gentlemen, and look at that trophy. My God, that's a stunner. That is a stunner. That's going to look nice on your shelves in the back of the office. So congratulations. Congratulations once again, and a big thank you, and a big thank you to our presenters as well. Thank you, gentlemen. Moving forward, we have reached the second set of awards. I'd like to invite to the stage Nandini Dias, Honorary Secretary, IAA India Chapter and Chief Executive Officer, Lodestar and Sandeep Goyal, Managing Director, Rediffusion, to please join us on stage. That's what this evening is all about, those congratulatory hugs. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir. So you will be presenting our second set of awards, and you will be giving away a total of 3 awards. Our next category for this evening is all about the moolah. Money, 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 money. So let's have a look at the winner without further ado.
In the category Banking and Finance, the winner is
नंबर 420।
हेलो,
नमस्कार जोशी जी, मैं बैंक से बात कर रही हूँ। आशा करती हूँ आपके दिन की शुरुआत शुभ रही है।
हो शुरुआत शुभ हुई है। बोला।
तो जोशी जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बधाइयाँ देना चाहूँगी कि बैंक की तरफ से आपकी क्रेडिट कार्ड लिमिट 5 लाख से बढ़ाई जा रही है। क्या आप इसे पाना चाहेंगे?
हो चालेल।
जी सर, इसे पाने के लिए आपको अपनी कुछ डिटेल्स हमें कंफर्म करानी होंगी। प्लीज कंफर्म द 16-digit नंबर ऑन अ क्रेडिट कार्ड एंड अ 3-digit नंबर ऑन द बैक साइड ऑफ अ क्रेडिट कार्ड।
अच्छा, वो नंबर ना, लिखो 100।
नहीं सर, ये तो गलत नंबर है।
अरे बाबा, यही सही नंबर है मैडम। अरे ओ लड़की की आवाज में बात करने वाले लड़के, अब बंद कर दे घिसे पीटे पुराने तरीके। हमारा बैंक हमसे हमारा क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर और सीवीवी नंबर कभी नहीं मांगता, समझ लगा? रख फोन।
आपका बैंक आपसे कार्ड नंबर, सीवीवी नंबर या कार्ड पिन नहीं मांगता। सो इंडिया, रहो साइबर सेफ। इशूड इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट बाय आरबीएल बैंक, अपनों का बैंक।
#Raho Cyber Safe for RBL Bank, created by Hoppy-Pola Picture Company.
Absolutely loving that campaign. Let's have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, safeguarding the nation and its people against cyber frauds. I'd like to invite representatives from RBL Bank and Hoppy-Pola Picture Company to please join us on stage. Welcome, gentlemen. A great campaign, absolutely brilliant and so needed. So congratulations and a big thank you. Thank you so much and congratulations once again. Ladies and gentlemen, our next category safeguards us. So let's have a look at the winner.
In the category Insurance, the winner is
आप बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हो?
When I grow up, I want to open a jazz cafe.
Since I've always been in the service sector of a big commercial flights, I've always wanted to fly a Cessna 172.
I want to find ways to conserve and preserve water. I want to be a waterpreneur.
I'd like to run the New York City Marathon.
He wants to be a cake eater.
Food blogger. She means food blogger.
Live the life you always wanted to. Get assured monthly payments with HDFC Life's Pension Guaranteed Plan. तो आप बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हो?
#When I Grow Up for HDFC Life, created by Whedon and Kennedy.
Keeping the child in us alive and definitely giving me a lot of ideas of what I want to do when I grow up. Inviting the representatives from HDFC Life and Whedon and Kennedy to please join us on stage. Heartiest congratulations to you, gentlemen. Let's make some noise, people, for some really wonderful campaigns that we are seeing here. Congratulations to all of you. So creating award-winning content is an art, but also posing properly to the photographer's satisfaction is also an art. You know, right angle, right smile. So I still haven't got any of it. So moving on, our next category for the evening has made payments very easy for all of us. Let's have a look at the winner.
In the category Online Payments and Finance, the winner is...
सर गलती इसकी नहीं है, झगड़ा तो
क्राइम इज क्राइम, क्राइम फाइन तो भरना पड़ेगा।
ओके, फोन पे करती हूँ।
फोन पे किसके पास है रे शिंदे? तू भी शिंदे? करते जा, बढ़ते जा, फोन पे।
Inspector Desai for PhonePe, created by Leo Burnett, India.
Digitizing how the nation transacts and make it all cashless. And if I can add, just today someone said, "Kaun se zamane mein ji rahe ho? You don't have PhonePe." This is what someone said to me. I think it was Ketki. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the reps from PhonePe and Leo Burnett, India, to join us on stage. Congratulations. Thank you so much, and a big thank you to our presenters as well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. To present the third set of awards, I'd like to invite to the stage Avinash Pandey, IAA Mancom member and Chief Executive Officer, ABP Network, Rana Barua, IAA Mancom member and CEO, Havas Group, along with Shashi Sinha, CEO, IPG Network. Warm welcome to our presenters. Kis baat ki deri, sir? Please join us. Don't worry, they'll join. So you'll be presenting our third set of awards, giving away 3 awards. So our next category for the evening, it looks at products that make life easy. So let's have a look at the winner.
In the category Consumer Durables and Utilities, the winner is...
ये पता है क्या है? हाँ, सीलिंग फैन। सीलिंग फैन मत बोल, उसे बुरा लगेगा। फैन को थोड़ी ना सुनाई देता है। Please switch on the fan. क्यों? पसीने छूट गए? कोई बात नहीं, स्वेट को भी फील करता है। देख, तेज हो गया ना? यार ये सीलिंग फैन नहीं, फीलिंग फैन है। Feels voice, feels touch, feels temperature. Havells fan with smart sense technology. Ceiling nahi, feeling fan.
Feeling Fans for Havells Fans, created by Mullen Low Linters Group.
I love that. It's such a catchy line. Ceiling nahi, feelings fan. That's amazing. Inviting our reps from Havells and Mullen Low Linters Group to please join us for this amazing campaign. Congratulations. Really some great work done. Guys, let's make some noise. If you don't want to clap, just say woohoo. Anything. Your hands are feeling tired, say woohoo. Congratulations. I'm sure all of you are feeling very great, and we are fans of yours, so. So moving on, our next category for this evening focuses on electronics. Let's, without further ado, have a look at the winner.
In the category Consumer Electronics, the winner is...
Hi, sir.
Hello, team. I hope you guys have seen the client feedback.
But sir,
We have to send it tonight.
Sir, it's too random.
I sent it there.
want us to put pink and green together.
Acha, how will we redesign by the evening?
Yeah, that's another challenge altogether. Nehal, can you do that?
So that's a piece of cake for me. I'll do it.
Great, that sounds good.
Upgrade to HP for HP India. Created by Autumn Grey.
Well, look no further. Time to upgrade to HP. Inviting the representatives from HP and Autumn Grey to please join us on stage. Congratulations for that campaign. Welcome, sirs. We have someone on their behalf. Ah, okay, yes. So could we have someone from the agency maybe collected on their behalf? Thank you. Well, our next category, maybe they're outside having a piece of cake. Well, we'll make sure the award reaches them. Our next category for the evening is definitely fashionable. Let's find out who the winner is.
In the category Fashion and Accessories, the winner is Pure as Love for Bhima Jewelry, created by Animal.
I have to say, ladies and gentlemen, that campaign, that jewelry, all of it pure as love. So heartiest congratulations and welcoming the representatives from Bhima Jewelry and We Are Animal onto the stage. Congratulations, some beautiful work done, really. That's a campaign that won the hearts of so many, ladies and gentlemen. Heartiest congratulations for some stunning work done. Congratulations to all of you and a big thank you to our presenters as well. Thank you, sirs. To present our next set of awards this evening, it's my privilege to invite to the stage Anupriya Acharya, President, Advertising Agencies Association of India, Parth Sinha, President, the Advertising Club, and Damien Erskine, Consul General for Poland, to please join us on stage. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sirs. An honor to have you here with us. We're loving the camaraderie. Let the good times roll. So, ma'am, gentlemen, you will be presenting our next set of awards and giving away 2 awards. So our next category this evening looks at communication online. In this category, we have two joint winners. Let's have a look at the first joint winner.
In the category Online Classifieds, Matrimony and Dating, the joint winner is
Every time we shy away, your buzz keeps me guessing today the day. A kiss, shall I but wait? What will I say?
Make the first move for Bumble, created by Rudafin Asia.
Such a fun campaign and so contemporary, ladies and gentlemen, making moves in the matrimony and dating space with their wonderful campaigns. It's my privilege to welcome to the stage representatives from Bumble and Rudafin Asia. Please join us to collect your trophy. Congratulations to you. Do we have our reps here or someone from the agency could do the honors? Okay, there we have Sir coming. Thank you for collecting the award. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now let's have a look at the second joint winner in the category Online Classifieds, Matrimony and Dating.
In the category Online Classifieds, Matrimony and Dating, the joint winner is
नमस्कार क्रिकेट का किट बेचता हूँ मैं जस्ट डायल के जेडी मार्ट पे फ्री में डिजिटल कैटलॉग बनवाया तो सारा माल बिक गया टपाटप अबे रात को मैं गच्ची पे फुल टू पार्ट किया तो ये लास्ट पीस बचा था अभी दिन में वहां पर रहो अरे क्या करते तू सारे मर तो ना
जेडी मार्ट इंडिया का B2B मार्केटप्लेस डाउनलोड करें जेडी मार्ट ऐप
India ka B2B marketplace for JD Mart, created by Tilt Brand Solutions.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen, making B2B selling so easy and so convenient. Please welcome to the stage representatives from JD Mart and Tilt Brand Solutions. Welcome and congratulations. Welcome, sirs. You get to take home that stunning looking trophy at the 6th edition of the Matrimony India Awards 2021. A big thank you. Congratulations to the winners and thank you to our presenters. Thank you so much. Okay, be honest. Hand to your heart. Everyone. How many of you feel that all these online dating apps have come so late? Like, what the hell? I'm married now. You know, done and dusted. And all of these are there and I'm like, where were these when we were younger? Right? Come on. How many of you in the house? Put your hands up. Be honest. Both hands, right? Only one backbencher. I said hand to your heart. Be honest. Okay, you still would have wound up with your current partner, but come on. It wouldn't have hurt. It wouldn't have hurt to see what's out there. Look at this compatibility. You match with the person who thinks like you. Now it's, you know, in our time it was just like that. You know, with chance throwing a dart and just hoping. But okay, thank you so much. Okay, to present the next set of awards, ladies and gentlemen, my privilege to request Rohit Ori, Chairman and CEO FCB India, and Mayura Shreyams Kumar, Director Digital Services Mathrubhumi, to please join us on stage, along with Ashok Venkatramani, IAA Mancom member and founder, Intelligent Insight Private Limited. Welcome, sirs. Welcome, ma'am. Many trips to the stage. Well, it's great to have you here with us. I'd like to inform you that you will be presenting our next set of awards and giving away 3 awards. So, our next category for this evening are services that are available at the click of a button. Just like the services I was just talking about, but let's have a look at the winner.
In the category Online Commerce, Ticketing and Services, the winner is...
मिट्टी में कितना कुछ छुपा के रखती है ज़मीं। कारीगरों की उंगलियां सब झांक लेती हैं। पीतल पे चेहरे देखना, पीपल में सूरतें, सुर ढूंढते हैं बांस में, पत्थर में मूर्तें। कारीगरों की उंगलियां उतार लेती हैं, पोरों से धागे खोल के संवार देती हैं। काम इनके देखे हैं गुफाओं में, चट्टानों में। नायाब लोग हैं ये घास के मकानों में। मिट्टी में कुछ छुपा है, कुछ लकड़ी में, धात में। इस कारीगर को देखिए, हुनर है हाथ में। मिट्टी में कितना कुछ छुपा के रखती है ज़मीं।
सजाइए अपने घर को 10 लाख से भी ज्यादा कारीगरों के हुनर से। Amazon कारीगर।
हुनर है हाथ में for Amazon India, created by Ogilvy.
What an exquisite campaign, ladies and gentlemen. A bigger round of applause, please, promoting the Karigars of India and making a platform accessible for them to show their true hunar. It's my honor to invite representatives from Amazon India and Ogilvy to please join us on stage for this brilliant campaign that they have created. Let's make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Showing us their true hunar here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome and congratulations. It's teamwork. Thank you so much. We are awarding and rewarding your true hunar here tonight and creating some wonderful campaigns that have won the hearts of many Indians. Thank you, big thank you, and a big thank you to our presenters as well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sirs. So our next category for the evening looks at entertainment media. Let's have a look at the winner.
In the category Entertainment Media, the winner is...
Can or cannot, truth or lies, adapt or differ, Videsh or Swadesh, approve or protest. Why do we see everything in black and white? Maybe it's because society raises us to choose only between blacks and whites. It keeps us divided in opinion, curbs real passion, and wipes out any chance of originality. Which is why some of us choose grey. Because perceptions emerge from grey. Imperfections shine in the greys. Individuality is born from grey. Heroes rise from grey. From grey emerges the textures of life. Only from grey do those true colors emerge. All those stories we pass on, they all come from grey. Come discover how stories from India today become the stories of the world tomorrow. Come discover how the world will find their grays. ABP Studios. Stories beyond black or white.
Loving that
Stories
campaign.
Beyond Black and White for ABP Studios. Created by 82.5 Communications.
Loving that campaign, loving the grey, and Mayura, I think we want you back here. Rohit Ori and Ashok Venkatramani. You'll have to make the quick trip back to stage. And let's have a big round of applause for that campaign, ladies and gentlemen. A lot gets left in the grey. And ABP Studios has helped India look at the stories beyond black and white. We have on stage with us representatives from ABP Studios and 82.5 Communications. Looking beyond the black and white. Thank you so much. And now, I think we just wanted you to do that, you know, getting your appetite up and ready for the sumptuous dinner ahead.